Welcome to the Mail Boss training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create an email campaign in Mail Boss. Go to the left menu and click on Mailer. Now go to the Campaign section. Click on Create Campaign. Now select your campaign type. Choose List from the drop-down. Give your campaign a name. Subject. Name. From and reply email. Now choose your desired campaign template. You can compose your campaign in our editor. Click on Save. You can send it immediately or schedule it for later. And your campaign is ready. Thanks for watching the video.